down, bitch.
I am a sinner who's probably gonna sin again. Lord, forgive me. Lord, forgive me. Things I don't understand. Sometimes I need to be alone. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. I can feel your energy from 2 planets away. I got my drink, I got my music. I want you to bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe.
Look inside of my soul and you can find gold and maybe you rich. Hold up, killing that James in 4 weeks, but now my album platinum and shit. So what, y'all keep the numbers. I'm more than another statistic, my nigga, this courtesy of confidence. Brooklyn go hard, motherfucker. Love me on the east like a Chuck D. The niggas wish that I was born there. I'm looking to be.
What's up, TTC? It's your boy, King Swag. Fin Squad, First Lieutenant, front and center. Well, ass kicking again. Again, man. Really? I ain't gonna get mad about this right here, man. I ain't even gonna get mad about it because, you know, when it all was said and done, just like everybody was saying, we got pushed around for 3 quarters. For 3 quarters, we got pushed around. Pushed around. All phases of the game, pushed around, especially on the offensive line. Baltimore defensive line ate our ass up. Or should I say, Doomerville ate our ass up. Dallas Thomas, he gave you the business. With that said, I ain't even sweating it though. Because I know I got a for show get down next week. But that's for later on in the week, man. I want to go ahead and do this quick crow before I go get this money on. Congratulations to Ravens Red Zone. Y'all got us again, man. Got us again. Good win. Tough football team. Baltimore Ravens, y'all tough football team. Shout outs to my barber, who is a Baltimore Ravens, you know. J-Bone, my barber J-Bone. Shout out to you. Good win, bro. Good win. Ravens Red Zone, good win. It's tough, man. Tough. I still got faith in this team, man. Don't nothing change for me. You know, we got to put in some work, man. That's all to it. Work got to be put in. Work has to be put in, man. Because in order to make these playoffs right now, we got to run the table. We got to run the table, man. Got to run the table. If we don't run the table, we're going to be out of the playoffs just like punk-ass Tyson predicted. But guess what, Tyson? I'm going to be at that ass next week, man. Y'all barely got out of San Diego with one last night. Good win. I'm glad you won it because that saved my fucking pool ticket. Sure did, because Miami fucking fucked me up. Cleveland fucked me up.
Chasing this fast money, ain't no slowing down. DJ Chris.
Let's get back to this vibe, though, man. Like I said, man, congratulations to Baltimore Ravens Nation, man. Finn Nation, y'all keep y'all head up, man. We got to run this table. Last 3 games, man. We got to run this table. We got to do what we do, man. We got to get back to playing Miami Dolphin football, man. With that said, don't kill my vibe, man. Don't even try to kill my vibe, man. You can't kill my vibe. I'm still in this shit, man. And I'm still making these playoffs. Going black on you motherfuckers right now, man. Black.
Bitch, don't kill my vibe.
It's grind time for this team, man. We will figure this out. We will make this playoffs. Tyson, I'm finna give y'all ass the business next week, man. It's your boy, King Swag. $ is the S. Fin Squad, First Lieutenant, front and center. Tom Brady, grass stains and shit stains next week, man. Y'all win the division, but we gonna win that ass this week. Just like week 1, man. Ain't nothing gonna change. These Dolphins coming, man. These dogs coming to eat. So, shout outs to Laker Fan 92. D1 Chosen, Austin Thompson, Smart Talk, 2010 Miami Dolphins, AFC Miami East. Yeah, we got this, man. Don't even worry about it. We got this. Till the hate week for these Patriot chumps, man. Don't kill my fucking vibe, man. Can't kill my vibe.
Up in the clouds.
Dolphins coming, man.
Rumors on the ground getting too loud, please turn them shits down. Can't hear myself think. Turbulent shit almost spilled my drink in the White House with a mink. Running through that bitch like it's my house, all up in the hall like a mall. Told you motherfuckers all I do is ball. No, I don't remember you, I don't intend to empty my memory bank. It's $1 million in it, baby.
Fin Squad, First Lieutenant, front and center.
I'll wait.
Booyah, duck motherfuckers. I'm coming to Foxborough.
20 years straight, don't fuck up my high. Nights like this, I can fuck up a pie. Still be straight, still act bitch.